Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art, and it's your boy
Steve
SY Comic Art. We're back again with another video. Today we're doing the Copic chisel tip versus brush tip challenge. So over here we've got a bag
I don't feel so good.
full of Copic markers over here. We're gonna pull one out, and whichever side is facing up, that's the side we're gonna use, and we're gonna do it for like a random drawing. Yeah, we can draw whatever we want, but it has to be with the tip. If you grab a chisel tip, sucks for you. If you grab a brush tip, that's great. First, let's do a little comparison. We'll compare the chisel tip versus the brush tip. Let's go ahead and try it out. Just so you guys know, the brush tip, the reason I like it is because you can go like this. It creates like nice gradients and stuff. You can go from thick to thin. You can do like small little lines. The reason the chisel tip is kind of hard to use is there's not much line variation with it. You can't go like thicker.
Which is why I like the chisel tip.
Okay, then you can try getting the chisel tip.
Yeah.
So the chisel tip, I guess it's good for calligraphy. Look.
That looks hideous.
Hey, not bad.
Oh man, this is really hard to use.
Yeah, see? So if you get the chisel tip for a drawing, yeah, good luck. Dude, that's actually pretty sick.
Now it just looks weird.
Yeah, you shouldn't have done it thick at the top. Try the brush tip.
Okay. 3-dimensional.
Hey, try the brush. Alright, not bad. Now we're gonna put all that into a paper bag, and we're gonna draw and see what we get. Do you wanna go first?
Like a lot of... Oh, look at how many Copics there are.
Yeah, there are a lot of Copics in here. Pretty much you're gonna draw one out, and whichever one's facing the top, that's what you're gonna use. So let's get another sheet of paper out for you. Let's decide first. What drawing do you want to do? Okay, fine. I'll choose for you. You're gonna draw Superman.
Damn it, he's so stupid.
You pick one. What's facing up?
Nice.
Hey, you got the brush tip. Let's see you draw something. Is that his face? Hey, which one of you guys thinks he should make an SY Comic Art channel? He'll have amazing tutorials like this for you guys. Let us know down in the comments. Hashtag SY Comic Art for amazing stuff like this.
Wait, that's not how it's...
Dude, what the heck? What are you doing? What is that? Okay, off to a great start. We got a Superman. Why did you give him ears like that?
He looks like Astro Boy.
I guess it's my turn now. There's your Superman. Okay. Damn it! I got the chisel tip.
Alright, am I giving you something to draw?
Alright, yeah, give me something to draw. Dude, I don't like the chisel tip. This is so hard.
Draw a Maxi. Draw a Golden Retriever Venom mashup.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this as reference.
You have 1 minute.
1 minute?
You have 5
That's
minutes.
it?
10 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna draw the nose first. I'm gonna find out where the snout is.
Yeah, it was good.
Dude, I can't do anything with the chisel tip. Look at this. That looks so nasty.
Maxi looks pretty, now she looks weird.
Wait, what do you mean she looks weird now?
Just give her a mustache.
Wait, I see it now. Okay, we need to find a way to fix it quick. Oh, I'll add some shadow using the thick chisel tip. Hey, off your phone, chubby. Oh, dude, look, calligraphy. Oh, wait, I'm pretty sure that's not how you're supposed to do it. Wait! Oh crap! It's supposed to be all caps.
Yeah.
This is so weird. Okay, there, Maxi. Alright, are you ready to
What am I drawing?
choose? Alright, face something up. What did you get?
I got the brush tip.
You got the brush tip again?
Alright, what am I doing?
Okay, you are drawing my cat Butters. I chose you drawing. You're drawing.
No, I'm just looking up a cat.
No, you're drawing Butters.
No, yeah, it will be Butters.
Okay. Why is the cat's face so round? It's like. What did you do? What the heck? I didn't know you were gonna make it that bad.
Look at that excellent, like, thick to thin.
Oh my goodness. Alright, what would you guys rate that out of 10? Make sure you let us know down below.
And I got my own calligraphy.
Name the
Butters.
cat. Butters? Okay,
Did you
rate
tell me to
Butters.
draw Butters?
That looks, dude, the bee looks horrifying. Alright, Looks like we're done with that. Let's choose the next one. Come on. God damn it! Dude, I got the chisel tip again. Wait, how come you're always getting the brush tip? I'm always getting the chisel.
Arm fall off, boy.
Is this a real superhero?
Yeah, I want you to draw him using his powers and smacking ZH comic art with his other arm.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Dude,
like a giant condom on his arm.
It's the like textured one too.
Alright, you're doing that and he's smacking ZH comic art in the face.
Alright.
Or you know, you're curled up on the ground as he smacks you.
What's that called?
That looks really weird too.
He looks like one of those fortune tellers, right? Dude, it's hard for me to take this superhero seriously.
He's a famous joke character from DC's Legion of Superheroes. He can separate any of his limbs from his body at will. He retains full muscle control over the separated limbs. He sometimes has trouble controlling his power, and he's lactose intolerant.
What? It beats being called the pink hole for a shoulder Avenger. It does look like a pink hole. Dude, the chisel tip is so hard to use. Look at this. I can't do anything.
Round 2, just how hard is arm fall off boy about to get his ass beat. Like when a moon hits an ant.
Dude, look at this. The daily grind. This is me. Wait, what should I say?
Michelle. With like the weak sputtery font that they use. I'll add something. That's Michelle.
Oh my goodness. What's she gonna say? What is that?
She's cheating on you with arm fall off.
Here, you do this now. Alright, are you ready to choose a marker?
Yeah.
Alright, hopefully you get a chisel tip. What's facing up?
Damn it, chisel tip.
Ha! You got a chisel tip this time. Okay, you are gonna draw Elephant Man beating the crap out of SY comic art. Elephant Man is back! If you guys don't remember Elephant Man's from our very first Pro vs. Noob video, dude, that video's almost at 1 million views. It still looks like Stewie, dude. Wait, if that's the bicep and that's the forearm, what's this?
No, that's the,
is that the wrist?
That's the shoulder. Oh.
Wait, you're supposed to be getting beat up.
Yeah,
What is
no,
this?
I'm just getting beat. I'm in a fight with him. And here's the H comic art. I'm holding it in front of me.
Why am I dead? Why is my head so small? I look like an infant, dude. Dude, you gave me
That's called his muscles.
no, those look like 80-year-old grandma.
What, I don't know what to say, dude.
I'm gonna say something funny.
Unsubscribe. Turn off notification bells.
Dude, what? What the heck? Unsubscribe, turn off notifications. Dislike. What's Superman gonna say?
I subscribed.
Oh, that's what you get when you subscribe.
Yeah.
What am I gonna say then?
Michelle.
Again? Anything for this VHC fam? Anything for the ZHC fam? Oh my goodness. Dude, I'm never letting you draw again. Okay, make sure you guys rate it down in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys think about it. Oh, yes, I got a brush. There we go.
What do you want to draw? Draw this, but make him me instead of him.
And I'm giving you a huge ass beard.
You want me to draw you as something cool?
Dude, you're gonna do the weird drawing of me getting beat up and me whimpering Michelle again.
Here,
Oh, okay, no. I'll say comment SY comic art. Wait, actually, the brush tip's harder for writing. You gotta sign. So you guys go ahead and vote down below. Drawing number 1, rated out of 10. What do you guys think?
Superman.
Superman. Drawing number 2, it's a dog, rated out of 10. Butters. Then we have arm fall off boy. So insulting, dude.
ZHC. There's our elephant man and there's me.
Elephant Man, Steve, and me. This is Superman. What do you guys think? Let us know down below. And finally, the really cool SY comic art. Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations, you made it to the end. I thought that was pretty fun. Which one do you guys like? Do you guys like the chisel tip more or the brush tip? I think both have their benefits. The chisel tip is better for like writing and stuff. Obviously, it's so hard with the brush tip unless you're doing like some fancy calligraphy. But the brush tip, you can do like thick to thin. Which one do you like better?
I like the chisel tip.
You like the chisel tip?
Yeah, how else can you draw something this beautiful?
Means this. Oh my goodness. Is this your favorite piece?
Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah,
It is
so
pretty nice.
he likes the chisel tip, I like the brush tip. Yeah, just let us know which one you like. This video shout out goes to Art of Vhon. If you want to win a shout out too, all you have to do is join the notification squad. Let me know down in the comments below when you are done. Got any last words?
You should unsubscribe, turn off notifications, and dislike the video.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna get so many dislikes. No, he's just kidding, you guys. If you guys liked our drawings, you thought it was funny, leave a like. If you didn't like it, go ahead and like it anyways. We really appreciate it. Keep those pencils moving, stay on the daily grind, and we will see you guys next time. Stare close into the camera, bye.